Hello students, we are in the chapter probability and today we are going to learn about the probability of an event formula and also how to solve practice set 5.4. Before that, we will revise certain terms which we have already learned in the previous video. First term, sample space. Sample space means is all the possible outcomes from a random experiment. For example, a coin is tossed, head and tail is said to be a possible outcomes. Sample points. Head is a one element and the tail is the other elements. So there are total sample points is here 2. Events. Event is said to be a condition or a favorable outcome from the given sample space. Right. So till here we know how to solve it. Now today we are going to learn about probability of an event. That is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes. That means the other name is what? N of A. That is number of sample points in the event A and divided by total number of outcomes, that is number of sample points in the sample space. So I have written in the next line, see, P of A equals to N of A upon N of S. Clear here? And our answer always gets in the fraction and you can convert them in the decimal and you can check it. It always lies from 0 to 1. It will not exceed 1. Okay. So you can see in the last line, it lies from 0 to 1.
Yes students, now let's move to practice set 5.4. Right. First question. If two coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events. First condition, this is the event provided to us. Okay dear, getting at least one head. And the second question, getting no head. Fine. So what is an experiment gone here? It is if two coins are tossed. So we will write it first with we always have to start with an experiment here. Okay. So we will say two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. Okay, once you have written the experiment, then we need to write S is the sample space. Okay, sample space. Once you have written, then we are writing all the outcomes of the two coins. So we will start. If you want, you can put a bracket. Without bracket also you can do it. I think we don't want a bracket. H T T H T and TH. I have already taught you if it is 2 coins, the 2 the power the 2, that is 2 square, there should be 4 outcomes. N of S is 4. So we got the sample space. Now let's go for the event. Always the event should be named something. Here the name is not given. So we will assume, we will assign one name for it. Let, okay, using let. Let A be the event. Okay, A be the event of getting at least one head. I hope you understood how to write. Okay, once you have written this, we will write it. What are the outcomes for the event A here? They said at least one head. कम से कम एक head. तो ज़्यादा रहेगा तो भी अच्छी बात है. That means one or more. Okay, so where all we can have one and more head here? 2H are there. So we are writing here H. Here there is no head at all. So we have to leave that one. Then here one head at least. So either hai ek and the other one is TH. So we got how many, what is the number of events A here? Sample points, that is N of A is 3 here. So once we have done, we are finding the probability here, right? So we will immediately finish off the probability for the event A. So how we will be writing here? P of A, okay, P of A equals to now N of A. What is that N of A? Number of sample points in the event A. Okay, and N of S. So I am writing here, you can write one below the other. I am writing here. So what is N of? So N of A, how much we got? 3 upon, and N of S is how much we got? 4. So we write it 3 upon 4. As we have already learnt, it can come in the fraction or you can, convert into a decimal. It's up to you. We can leave it as it is. Okay, let's go for the second condition. This was the first event here, right? first condition here. So we have completed with this one, first one. Let's go for the second. I hope now you can tell me how should be named here, how we have named. Let A be the event. Now what we can give the name? Any B or a P something. So let B be the event of getting no head. Let B be the event of getting no head. Done. Now we will write it what all the events B, for the B event B will come. Okay, so I'm writing here B, no head they said. So you can see where there is no head, here there is a head, so we can't leave it. Here there is no head, so we will write it T, and here also head, here also head. एक भी head नहीं होना चाहिए, so only one is left here. So we write n of B as a what? 1. Once we got it, can we put a formula? P of B, that is probability for the event B. If it is for the event A, we written P of A. Here probability for the event B is n of B, that is number of sample points in the B event, okay, upon number of sample space, all the possibilities, equal to n of B is how much? 1, and n of S is what we have written? 4. So we got n of P of B as a what? 1 upon 4. So this is the method to find out the probability. Let's see the second question. If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, okay, it is said 2 dice are being rolled. Find the probability of the following events. The first one is the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. See my dear, on the upper faces, whatever the the sample space we are writing it, there we are writing only the upper faces, so you don't get confused. You can think about the sum of the digits is at least 10, okay, and the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. Sum means addition, okay. The digits on the first die is greater than the digits on the second die. Okay, before that, first of all, as the experiment is here, if 2 dice are rolled, so I have written already, it saves time. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. S is the sample space, and I have already taught you in the previous video how to write it so that we won't miss a single one. Okay, so here we have written here by proper order, and you can check out, you will get it what? N of S is a 36 here. Okay, let A be the event. As here the name is not assigned for an event, so we have assigned it. Let A be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. Please be careful with the question. At least यानी कम से कम 10. 10 से ज़्यादा रहेगा तो भी अच्छी बात है. So it can be 10 or more than 10. Add किया तो. So let's see to it the high. See here you can see 1 plus 6, 7. Highest is itself 7. So we need a 10. Where we can get a 10 here? So 4 plus 5, 9. इसके आगे सब छोटा number. 4 plus 6, right? 4 plus 6, 10 we get it. So we will write it one by one so that we won't miss a single. 4, 6 I have written. Now 5, 5, 5, 6, 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 5, 10. So I can get it 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 5, 11. 6, 6, 12. So how much I got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll write it N of A as a 6. Now can we write a P of A formula? Probability of A equals to? Yes, N of A upon N of S. I'm writing directly here. You can write one below the other to be very neat for neat. N of A is 6 and N of S is what we have written? 36. And if cancellation is possible, 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. So you got what? A P of A is what? 1 upon 6. Let's go for the next event. Yes, the next event is that what? Let B be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. See, we need a 33, but when we see the maximum 6 plus 6 itself 12, after that that's no bigger number at all. So is it possible to get a 33? No. So we don't have any outcomes here having the sum as a 33. So what we will be writing? N of B is what we will be writing here directly, nothing here. Okay, that is 0. Before that you have to write it. B is what? Nothing. See here, B is nothing. We got it empty set. So N of B is 0. First you write this, then you write it. Okay. Then now we are going to find out for the P of B. P of B is what? N of B upon N of S here, right? So N of B is what? 0 upon what is sample space is here? Sample space is 36. So 0 upon any number is 0 here. So what did you get? That is P of B is 0. You got it. Let's go for the third event. Third event, let C be the event that the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. You understood? That means first die should be bigger than the second. You can see here the third die, first die is greater here, 2, 1. Okay, this is the first one is greater here. And here this is greater and here also. So 1, 2, 3, पहला die greater than the second one. यहाँ पे भी बड़ा है. So 1, 2, 3 ये यहाँ थे 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 आ गया है. इधर भी 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. Similarly, if we go for this also, you can write it still 6, 5. I'll write it now. So I have written all where the first die is greater than the second one. I have listed out. Okay, now close the curly brackets. So how much you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got N of C as a how much, my dear? 15. Now can I find the probability of C here? Yes. Probability of C is what? N of C upon N of S, sample space. So 15 upon 36. So is the cancellation possible? Yes, 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36. So we got 5 upon 12. The first answer we got 1 upon 6. Second we got P of B as a 0 and the last one 5 upon 12. You have to pick up and write the answer at the end properly. Okay dear.